Today I'm going to teach you how to discover great offers through Swagbucks and earn SB for doing it. When you log onto your Swagbucks account, click Discover on the left-hand side of the page under Earn Your SB. Featured offers are our most popular offers. They can be anything from sign-ups to shopping deals to free trials. Offers that are free and only take a few seconds to complete will give you 2 or 3 SB. Offers like signing up for 3 months of the Dollar Shave Club can earn you 800 SB. Hovering over a deal will tell you more about the offer and instructions on how to complete it. Click and it'll take you right to the offer's webpage. Websites like TrialPay, OfferToro, and Revenue Universe work with us to bring you even more deals to discover. Click on any one of them to browse popular offers like surveys and shopping deals. Exploring web content is all about you checking out new websites and signing up. These websites can offer coupons, have you sign up for their emails, or teach you something new. By clicking on the Shopping tab in the sidebar, you can see what stores give out great deals to first-time users. If you've been needing the extra push to try Birchbox, you can earn 1,500 SB for signing up. Finally, you can earn even more SB by donating to great causes like the ASPCA and American Red Cross, or by downloading mobile apps to your phone like Game of War and Cooking Fever. Be sure to check back often because the Discover page is always adding new deals just for you.